got a new air fryer.
And I'm gonna compare it to the beautiful one that I love. The Ninja is a 4-quart. So let's do a side-by-side. This is 6-quart, this is 4-quart. Visually, this is what the Ninja looks like. Beautiful. I think the beautiful one is just prettier. Yes, this has a little clip, but I mean, I use this sucker every day, so I'm okay with that. This one was $89, is $69. Oh my goodness, the Ninja is so freaking quiet. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Actually, I can hear it's getting louder. All right, that's what the Ninja sounds like. Okay, when I open up the Beautiful, it stops. When I close it, it just starts again. When I open it, it still goes. It doesn't stop. It just keeps running. I don't know if that's normal, and it's a little bit harder to close. So needless to say, I returned the Ninja and I bought another beautiful air fryer.